Hi everyone, welcome to the last question of the day. This is the last question. Okay, and I have a homework problem for you guys also. Please participate with us. If you're watching us on YouTube, you know the drill. You have to subscribe and share and like and everything you have to do. But you have to you have to participate in these areas, okay? Comment your problems. I'm live 24/7. So anytime you guys pop up the answers, I'll be able to verify the answers. I'll also clear the doubts if you have any such any of that. Okay, so let's go into this question. Nothing much. It's just given that angle BAD is 65 degrees, sorry, and they're asking you to find angle CAO. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit, and BAD is given as 65. Let me use bold. All right, and they are asking you to find angle CAO. Now, obviously, this is not very difficult, provided that you know a very simple, property of a circle, and that property is reflex angle of a circle. So, reflex angle, the property says that basically this is the angle in the segment only. Just the thing is, the chord AB, we all know if a chord subtends an angle at the center, and if that is suppose 2x, the chord will subtend an angle that is half of that angle that has been subtended at the center at any other point. Okay, but this chord can also subtend a reflex angle in the opposite part. So effectively, what is happening? Okay, so you can see. I hope the cursor movement you will appreciate. So this chord AB is subtending an angle of 110 in the opposite segment, not in the same segment. In that case, the angle will still be, twice of that angle which has been subtended. Okay, let me put it that way. So the angle is going to be twice, but this time it will not be the inscribed angle, it will be the reflex angle. So that is the reflex angle property. So in other words, this is going to be 2 times of angle 110. So straight away getting into the picture, now I think the picture should be crystal clear. This is 220 degrees. Okay. And can you tell me what is the internal angle of this thing? Obviously, the sum of all the angle around the point is 360 degrees. So this is going to be 140. And if this is 140, can you quickly tell me the value of these two? Because these are, if I consider this point as to be O, the center of the circle, OA and OB are the radius. So they are going to be equal. I hope, in other words, sorry, they are of course equal because they are the radius of the circle, but they are subtending equal angles. Okay. This is 140. How much more do I need? I need 40 more. So this will be 20 degrees and this will be 20 degrees. So far, so good. What else can I understand? This angle is, this thing, opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Sometimes I forget the names, yeah. So this is 100 degrees, yeah. And if this is 100 degrees, can you quickly tell me these values? So this is going to be 80 degrees. Is it or is it not? Because this is a linear pair. I hope you understand. So if this is 80, the other half has to be 100. Because the angle in a linear pair is always 180 degrees. So just learning, okay, just learning. So let me quickly jot them down also. Now this question is solved. You guys must have solved it also. 80. Okay. Now this is 80. This is 140. Can you quickly tell me the value of this? I know you guys can tell me now. This is 70. 70 and 80, that is 150. So this is going to be 30. Have I made any mistake? Let me see once. So this is going to be 150. 150 plus 30. Yeah, that's correct. But this entire thing is 65. This entire thing, PAD. Okay, this entire PAD is 65. 65 minus 20. This length. This angle OAD is 45. I hope you will be able to visualize that. Of which this much angle SAD is 30. So can I change the color to make this more visually appealing? So what is going to be this is going to be 15 degrees. Okay. Or let me use another color. This 15 degree. Yeah. So the answer to that is 15. Now this is a very difficult question, not at all an easy question, but you had to understand the properties. I had to tell you the properties, and that's why it took some time. Thank you. Okay, but before quitting, I just want to give you one homework problem. Okay, before quitting, let me just give you one homework problem. Yeah. So this is a difficult question. It's not an easy one. Okay, and let me give you the answer also. So the answer is 61. A scalene triangle has a perimeter of 60 centimeters. The length of each side is an integral number of centimeters. How many such triangles exist? Let me give you a little bit of an idea. So there is an there is a scalene triangle. Okay, so scalene means all the sides are x, y, and z. All sides are different. They have given x plus y plus z is equal to 60. Now, obviously, the first thing that should strike your mind is that had this been an equilateral triangle, I could have got the values of one of the sides as 20, the other also 20, and the other also 20. But because this is a scalene triangle, it has to be either 21, 22, 23, adding up to 40, whatever. This has to be equal to 40, but it has to be either more than 21 or less than 20. So it cannot be 20. Why did I say that? Why did I say that? Because I'm giving you some hints. I'm not going to solve this entirely. Because one thing you have to understand is that for this question, you have to find the range of possible values of the largest side. Now you can assume the largest side to be x, y, z, whatever. Let me tell you that the minimum length, the largest side can have a minimum of 20. So it has to be more than 21. Okay. Obviously, suppose this is the triangle. Something like this. Okay. So which x, y, and z, and it is given that x is greater than y is greater than z. Now, what is going to be the range of the values that is possible for the largest side, that is x? It of course has to be more than 20. So the minimum value that I can take is 21. That is the limit. What can be the maximum value? So I hope you can figure that out yourself. But I think if you're a little smart, you will be able to figure that out. It will be less than the semi-perimeter. It will be less than 30. So it can go all the way till, it cannot go all the way till 30. It has to be less than 30. So equal to 29. So I have given you enough and more ideas. I have given you the range of this thing. Now all you need to do is make some cases, add, subtract, whatever. I will make a video on it also. Thank you.